How to activate Spectrum Mobile eSIM. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how to activate the Spectrum Mobile eSIM. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. For that, you just need to follow up the steps. So just head over to your browser or go to Google and search for spectrum.net, and you'll be finding this website right here, available website link. When you go ahead and click on it, you'll be led to this page. So whether you are on your laptop or even your mobile device, you just need to head over to that website, and once you are here, you'll be finding this QR code on your screen where you will be also finding this option called activate. So just go ahead and tap on it. After that, you just need to follow up the on-screen prompts. Just go ahead and tap and continue. After that, go ahead and provide your emergency address, different things, different address. After that, your phone number as well, and keep that page open while your service is being activated. That may take about a few minutes to complete. After the activation is complete, you'll be getting a message saying activation has been completed, and that's how you will know that you have activated your eSIM of Spectrum. So therefore, that is it. That is how you do it. So you can also follow up the same process for it now. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.